on, okay? Alexis? Alexis, are you with me? You okay?
I'm worried about the baby.
I know. Sorry.
You hear that?
What?
Hi. Is everyone okay?
Jason?
Yeah, God, I'm
Jason,
so glad
what?
you're here. Hi, Emily. Hey, Robin. Oh, God. Thank God you're here. Alexis needs a doctor.
Your timing couldn't
You
Okay.
else?
Yes. She's fully dilated. The contractions are regular. The baby's lodged in the pelvis. Okay. All right, just try and take it easy.
Emily says I need a C-section.
I'm just a med student. Maybe you have a different opinion.
Do you know how to do C-section?
If there's no other way, Alexis, you remember that I'm HIV positive, but my viral load
Robin.
is... Yes.
I don't care. I just want to know if you can do a C-section.
Okay. Yes, I can. We've got a first aid kit, latex gloves, even better.
Before this goes any further, I'm Rick Lansing. I'm sorry. I'm the husband and the father.
Robin, everything's gonna be fine. Let me just... can you get us some water, please?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
You stay right here, okay? I'll be over here if you need me.
I can still feel some movement. We have to get this baby out now. Let's get you into the car. Can I have some help over here?
I'll be okay.
I'm wondering if you're able to find a knife anywhere in the train.
Yeah. He's mine.
Well, it's nice to know you haven't changed.